Good morning, guys. Welcome back again to my channel. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. My name is Ada, a YouTuber based in Delta State, Nigeria. Today is 29th day of December 2022. 4 days, 3 days to New Year, and I'm about doing cleanup in my house. Clean up before New Year. Like, you know those places when you are sweeping your house, your broom, your mopping stick doesn't enter. Like today, they must enter. I want to do like a thorough cleanup in my house. It's been long I did something like this, and I'm so happy that finally I'll be doing it. I've been longing to do this kind of cleanup since, but I've been procrastinating. Like, the laziness in me did not allow me. Like, who would want to enter 2023 with dirty in their house from 2022? If you want to, me, I don't want to. So this is a kind of a motivational video. I don't know what you are doing right now, I don't know where you are right now, but just pick up your mopping stick, pick up your broom, pick up your cleaning agent, and let's do this, guys. Let's clean up the whole house.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
Sweet mango, I carry am from village to township. 1 week, 1 trouble, I don't dey see double. If to maybe don't kill me for this world, I don't go die. Do maybe, my baby, do maybe, my sweetie, do maybe. If to maybe no they do something they do maybe. If do maybe no they worry something they worry do maybe. My sweetie mango, do maybe. My baby, do maybe. My fine yo-yo, do maybe. My sweetie, do maybe. If do maybe no they do something they do maybe. If do maybe no they worry something they worry do maybe. Hey, I send them to Sukulu, making life better. I don't know say na they are I go see ya wa. Basic education for some more qualification. Waiting I go call this one. Na bad condition. Do maybe, my baby, do maybe. Oh, my honey, do maybe. My sweetie, do maybe. If do baby no they do something they do maybe. If do maybe no they worry something they worry do maybe. My village tomato, do maybe. My baby, do maybe. Of your mango, do maybe. My sweetie, do maybe. If do maybe no they do something they do maybe. If do maybe
highlifeng.com.
something they worry do maybe. My dosey dum dum, do maybe. My baby, do maybe. My sugar bottom, do maybe. My sweetie, do maybe. If do maybe no they do something they do maybe. If do maybe no they worry something they worry do maybe. cash better cha. Is a woman and Jakato do. You are the big man with the big money. Is a woman is a baby. A big man. The money not the finish you. It is a baby. A big money. Is a woman is a baby. A big man. The money not the finish you. It is a baby. A big money. Is a woman and Jakarta. Onya mama na America. International chairman. With a big money. On the America share better cha. Is a woman and Jakarta do. You are the big man with the big money. Is a woman is a baby. A big man. The money not the finish you. It is a baby. A big money. Is a woman is a baby. A big man. The money not the finish you. It is a baby. A big money. Is a woman is a baby. A big man. The money not the finish you. It is a baby. A big money. Is a woman is a baby. A big man. The money not the finish you. It is a baby. A big money.
highlifeng.com.
Every day by day na hustle. Makanaya be fire. Make food enter belly. Money hard to get it. Now work and sweat it. Life is a struggle. Every day by day na hustle. Makanaya be fire. Make food enter belly. Money hard to get it. Now work and sweat it. Life is a struggle. Every day by day na hustle. Makanaya be fire. Make food enter belly. Money hard to get it. Now work and sweat it. Life is a struggle. Every day by day na hustle. Makanaya be fire. Make food enter belly. Money hard to get it. Now work and sweat it. Life is a struggle. Every day by day na hustle. Makanaya be fire. Make food enter belly. Money hard to get it. Now work and sweat it. Life is a struggle. Every day by day na hustle. Makanaya be fire. Make food enter belly. Money hard to get it. Now work and sweat it. No food for lazy man. No beggy, use your hand, no tifu. Struggle is the way. We dey hustle every day. Life is a struggle.
highlifeng.com.
Every day by day na hustle. Makanaya be fire, make food enter belle. Money hard to get it. Now work and sweat it. Life is a struggle. Every day by day na hustle. Makanaya be fire, make food enter belle. Money hard to get it. Now work and sweat it. Life.
Hey guys. Hey, today was so hectic. Like, I used to think that cooking video is the most stressful and hard video to film, but with this cleanup video, I think this one at the senior, something that I would have finished under 2 hours, 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours, took me almost a whole day. It took me more than 5 hours. So you guys, I was moving my camera, my tripod from one position to another, trying to capture things. Like, at the point I was like, I'm not doing it again, but I've already filmed halfway. I've already gone halfway. I'm not sure I'm going to be trying this kind of content again. Seriously, so hard. But I just thank God, the outcome, the look, everything, what it's like, the final look worth the time and the stress. That's why I'm even happy. If not, I'm outside the house. They just took our lights, you guys. Everywhere is inside the house is very dark. That's why I came outside to end this video. If you absolutely enjoy watching this video, if you have watched this video up to this moment and you haven't subscribed to my channel, if not for any other thing, for the stress I passed through today, please subscribe to my channel, share this video, like this video, turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. And I will definitely see you all in my next video. Bye.